Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable spatial audio for your earbuds Creative Outlier Air. You have to start by open settings and then go to connected devices. Now, my main earbud right now is the left one. If it's right one, it's okay for you also. Just click at the settings icon near to your main earbud, and right here we have spatial audio. But firstly, it's not available at least in the settings for Apple devices, and not all Android phones have it, so you may haven't it. To enable it, just tap at the slider near to it, and after that you need to put your main earbud to the charging case. And it should connect with your another earbud. It's a right one for me, it could be a left one for you. Now click the settings icon near to this earbud, and also you need to tap at this slider near to the spatial audio. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!